Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting darker, terrible like glue sleeves. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me, or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mind is disturbing. Now give me a heart to beat. Bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it. Your self-esteem easy to turn on me. That's what I wanna be. Dream is in front of me. Called up the game and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. Have fun with my lyrics, call it wordplay. Thoughts stuck in the past, wish they were present like my birthday. Talk about my family, dog, you better watch what you say. What is it that you're not comprehending? Are you insane? Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. I rhyme with a purpose, your lyrics are hollow. Cause I'll be a leader, all you do is follow. I'm so far ahead of you, it is tomorrow. Here's something for ya, I'm the rhyme destroyer. Don't put out your hand cause I got nothing for ya. MCs and me spitting and get paranoia. I'm quick with the punches, call me De La Hoya. Quit being petty, I know it annoy ya. Don't stop being mad cause I got it before ya. I work now, I'm boss with it like an employer. Don't test me, I'm killing these balls like a lawyer. I've been preparing, you rappers don't scare me. Don't do it for fame, no, my kindness or rarity. Music is therapy, burdens I'm carrying. Emotion is raw, got no problem sharing. Y'all rapping for likes and you quit and get clarity. Your record's embarrassing, you don't compare to me. Better be aware that you better be wearing me. Gift is a curse that I'm not even swearing. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me, I'm coming for the crown. My name gon' be harder than a summer on the blacktop. Just give me a track and I'ma beat it like a bad cop. I ain't taking orders, man, so don't come drop through my spot. See that peak, well, I'ma reach it, like it or not. I admit in some of my songs, I was flexing. That don't make me fake, it just means that I'm impressive. Look so unassuming, guess I'm not what you expected. Did you forget me? Let me jog your recollection. Mine's obsessive, flows aggressive, switch direction, keep you guessing. Who's up next in my ring, stepping names, I'm checking off my checklist. Life is hectic, nights get restless, learning lessons, rhyme perfecting. My objectives, I'm collecting, guess who checked in? You guessed it. If you didn't guess, it's me.